Guys, I talked that most of you, your most big problem I noticed is during assembly, you pick up your heel. Instead of press heel down during brush, your heel comes up and your jump takes 50% of your foot power. Because you pick up your heel, instead of press, it's 100% pressure, 100% of power in the plie. But you release your tense pressure. That's why your jump is not real. And then when you have landing, immediately another leg starts brushing. Brush, brush, brush. That's right. Like that, it should be all the time.